I know we're becoming a little predictable, but we've lost a rooster. So we have to find him, and we don't really know at all where he is. All 3 hens are here. He is not here with them. He didn't come back. So
Free-ranging.
Free-ranging.
The wonders of free-ranging, the natural way to not keep chickens.
So, I don't know. We have to just wander around and hope we find him. Thankfully, he's light colored, so maybe he'll stand out in the greenery, but I mean, I don't know. We'll see. Let's go look.
He's not a very good defender of the ladies, since he's off somewhere by himself partying.
Maybe he's looking for more
something.
ladies.
Maybe.
My guess is down here, because I think
He's probably down the hill.
With the trees earlier. Well, before he was in one of these trees, and we don't know which, but I discovered that he was not with us a little bit earlier, so there's a little bit of light, so maybe we can find him.
Somewhere.
I always liked hide and seek, but, you know, not really for roosters.
I like chicken soup more than I like hide and seek.
Cockavin.
I'm gonna eat the dog too. Cockavin. He's good at getting around. It doesn't look that scary on film, but this is a pretty good slope here. I could shoot it like this. It looks scary. Yeah, that's cool. Careful. Baphemus. I have to ask myself, what would Justin Rhodes do? The answer is probably buy a school bus. Sweetheart, we have to buy a school bus.
We do?
Yep.
How does he do that rooster? He's the chicken guy.
That doesn't matter, just buy a school bus. I'll name my, I should name the rooster after a politician.
Rooster, where are you?
I think he's gone. He's gone. We'll see him tomorrow.
I don't know how to see him now. But he's probably up. He's probably up somewhere. Because that's what they do.
Yeah, I'm sure.
He could be anywhere now.
I hear him. Don't fall. Where's that sound coming from? I heard the cluck, cluck, cluck behind us. Yes. It's the only thing here that cluck, cluck, clucks. Unless it's chupacabra. Maybe he's in one of the palm trees. I don't see him. Everything is great when they're in there, locked up in their cage. That's mean. He's out there somewhere.
I hear him. This way.
That far?
Listen.
I don't want to go over there.
Yeah, I don't either.
Because I don't want to go through the sawgrass.
Video.
Okay, you go over there. Good job. Go over there.
I would have given up a long time to go, but no, we gotta film it.
This is reality TV.
Apparently.
So as soon as you start filming, it becomes real. Reality TV. You have to do the call, the rooster call.
Cluck, 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 cluck. Is that good?
That's close.
Yeah, you do it. Oh, I didn't know you meant it that way. Good.
He'll think that I'm challenging him.
Yeah. Maybe he thinks it's not really much of a challenge.
Do roosters have testosterone? Probably not. It's probably like avian neurone.
Rooster.
He's down in the cocoa?
Come over there. Rooster. Somebody said that their grandma had a coffee can of grain that she would shake. I'm starting to think this is a really good one.
Yeah, if they pay attention, but I don't think these birds will pay any attention. They'll be like, I don't care, she's got a rattle.
We had chickens before that they would come because that was like.
I don't know. It's too much like it's like a maraca. It feels like cultural imperialism. We would be cultural appropriation.
Rooster.
You're not allowed to use a maraca. It's offensive.
Rooster. Yeah, you're gonna get a YouTube hero.
Down there in the darkness lurks a rooster.
Rooster.
Yeah.
You have to ask yourself, how much do you care?
No, I find it hard to care, honestly. He doesn't even make eggs.
Yeah. He makes chicks though.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's kind of important. Otherwise, we won't have the continuation of the chicken species.
Rooster.
This is pretty dramatic.
No.
No, this shot is.
Okay, crow like the rooster again.
Hey, I just laid an egg. I don't think it's working. We need a shotgun. Just randomly fire shots.
I don't know if that'll work.
Flush them out.
Because they get.
And they probably run the other way.
They get dumb at night, so I don't know that would work at all. I give up. Hopefully he'll come back hopefully he'll reunite with the hens tomorrow and
Maybe he's gone on a business trip, leaving his wives behind.
It's interesting that it's him.
But yeah, like why is it him?
I would think he would stick with the majority of the hens, and maybe if one of them was going to wander away and do its own thing, it would be one of the hens, maybe. Which makes you think, perhaps, did he run into some trouble?
Maybe. Yeah. Maybe a deadly snake, or a deadly frog, or a deadly leech. He's gone.
Oh, well, not necessarily gone.
Who cares? We don't care anymore.
No, we care.
I'm trying to just get into the feeling of not caring. It feels good. Just don't care about this animal.
That's, okay, just go.
This is for YouTube.
Oh, wait a minute.
I have to pretend that I care for YouTube.
No, I think it's some other creature I'm hearing.
Jungle fowl.
Okay.
Well, I hope you all enjoyed this episode of Heart of Darkness. Be sure to like and subscribe. And catch us on the web at thesurvivalgardener.com, where we don't care if the rooster is lost. And we make sort of nihilistic homesteading videos.
With wraps.
With wraps in them.
We've misplaced a rooster. So now we get to go find him. Oh. This is becoming predictable.
Yeah. Chasing down the chickens. I'm sick of it. The rooster done ran into the woods and the goods, he's producing a few. But you know we need him to ensure the next generation for our plantation in the tropics. So don't stop this. Gotta get those fertile eggs, but he's got those free-range legs and decides to sleep alone inside the jungle as we bumble and we fumble in the dark. Well, behind the whole video, the stupid dog barks. Though you might think that I'm a nihilist and my cavalier attitude to be completely the vilest, I find it hard to care for a bird so dumb he leaves his lair, sleeps in the trees without his wives. Hope he's got 9 lives or else a boat was gonna get him and rip him. And I can't say that I'd miss him. Might be we give up on the rooster and his trickin', and then we'll have ourselves some finger-licking chicken. Soup. Free-range soup. Davy G out. MC. Representing.